Good morning, dear students. How you all are? I hope you all are fine. So today in this video we are going to learn lesson number 4, The Woodpecker of your main course book. Warm up. The antics of a woodpecker, a bird, on a rainy day are beautifully portrayed in the poem. Can you think of another animal that also pecks? The woodpecker knocked out a little round hole. Pecked means made a hole by repeatedly tapping with the beak, and made him a house in the telephone pole. One day when I watched means noticed, he poked out his head, and he had on a hood and a collar of red. When the streams of rain pour out, means continuous rain, on the sky, and the sparkles of lightning go flashing by, and the big wheels of thunder roll, he can snuggle back in the telephone pole. Snuggle means to cuddle. Students, now see exercises. So, lesson related exercises will not be included. Writing skill will also be not included. Now see test your grammar. See exercise. Read the following sentences from the poem. He had on dash made him a house. I watched. He can snuggle back. Pronounce a word used in the place of a noun to avoid repetition when the same noun occurs frequently. Rishabh and Rohan are friends. Rishabh and Rohan like each other. Everyone likes Rishabh and Rohan. Now read the following. Rishabh and Rohan are friends. They like each other. Everyone likes them. So as you can see, instead of names, we used here they and them. These are known as pronouns. Some more pronouns are he, she, it, they, them, their, his, her, you, I, we, us, this, that, those. So pronoun are the words that are used in the place of noun. Underline the pronoun in the given sentences. So what are pronoun? Pronouns are the words that are used in the place of noun. Now sentences are given to you. You have to underline the pronoun. First, we are leaving for Bhopal tomorrow. So here the word we is used in the place of noun. I went shopping yesterday. I is used in the place of noun. They are practicing at the stadium. They is used in the place of noun. She cried bitterly when he left. She and he are the pronoun. Those mangoes are sour. Those are pronoun. Now see the exercise. Fun with vocabulary. Synonyms are similar meaning words. Tick mark the word similar in the meaning to the given words. Now, what are synonyms? Synonyms are the words that are similar in meaning. Now, for example, little is given to you and options are given. Now, you have to find the word that is similar in meaning to little. For example, measure, huge, tiny. So, little, the similar word of little is tiny. Now, see B, house. Similar meaning of house is about, protection, living. So the correct answer is about. C, big. Similar meaning of big is minuscule, minute, gigantic. So the correct answer is gigantic. Similar meaning of snuggle, to cuddle, discomfort, to sniff. So the correct answer is to cuddle. Similar meaning of round is circular, opening, straight. Correct answer is circular. Give words which rhyme with the following. Now see, words are given to you. You have to give 3 more words that are rhyming words. For example, sky, fly, try, shy. Hood, good, food, wood. Round, ground, sound, mount. House, mouse, blouse, cows. Wheel, feel, heel, seal. Day, say, way, lay. Table, cable, able, stable. Cheese, these, seas, bees. Now see E exercise beyond the tags. Can you find out the homes of the animals or birds given below by matching the columns? Now animals are given to you. You have to match with their homes. So rabbit lives in burrow. Lion lives in den. Bees lives in hive. Spider lives in web. Snake, hole. Horse, stable. Dog, kennel. Cow, shed. And bat, cave, or we can say roost.